Today we'll talk about how can you find notifications on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find this list on your app, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find here all notifications you have, 8 notifications you get from your app. So in here, like you say, I have here no notifications like you say, but if you have here any notifications, you will find it. So that's all you have to do here to find it. I wish you are great. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.